Hello, I am Shobhan Sarkar. I am an employee of HD Solution IT Natore. I currently work as a graphics designer here. I want to be a freelancer, but I had a little experience on graphics design. I did not know how to do work in online marketplaces. Then I luckily got to know that the CEO of the HD Solution IT, Mr. Shojibur Rahman, took a great initiative. He arranged a free internship program for increasing efficiency on graphics design to build freelancer and provide job placement also through HD Solution IT. HD Solution IT starts such a great activity at first in Natore. Now I can use my talents to doing work at Fiverr, Freelancer and others marketplaces also as an employee of HD Solution IT. So I especially thank to HD Solution IT and also thank to the CEO of the HD Solution IT, Mr. Shojibur Rahman.